Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing pound versus the US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, in the pound dollar monthly, I definitely am still very bullish. I still think this is going to end up going all the way up to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels, most likely taking out these previous highs, most likely making some sort of a nice five-wave shape to the upside, looking something like this. So let's keep that in mind. I know it's a long time frame, but it is very important. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think that we already have the end of a running flat wave two. I still think this is a one. I believe this is a two, and I still think there's a pretty good chance we're going to continue up for a wave three. Now I think the wave two is already over, so we're already in a wave three. So that makes it this a one of three, a two of three, and eventually a wave three of wave three. So let's take it down to that daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it already looks like we have an A, B, C, D, E shape right here, basically just a five-wave correction. We have a turn at the Fibonacci level. We do have a little bit of a higher low. And I would definitely be looking for longs right now, and if this does form an ABC shape and then turn back down, we should better recognize that and stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. But I'm still looking at this five-way pattern to the upside as a possible one. This ABCDE is a possible wave two, and I think there's a pretty good chance that over the coming weeks and months, this is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows in a wave three. So taking that down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, it is very overlapping. I mean, it is very corrective looking, which is why I could possibly turn into an A, B, and then maybe go up, take out the high of wave A, and then go back down like this. That definitely is a possibility that we need to be well aware of. But I would definitely be looking for longs, especially because of the US dollar index and other correlated pairs like the euro dollar, Aussie dollar, and so forth. So I definitely am looking for longs, and I'm looking to go long at the end of three-way pullbacks for the continuation of this uptrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up. This move down to me looks like a possible wave A. This looks like possibly three waves up for wave B. This move down definitely could be a wave C. So what I would be looking for is I'd be looking for a Fibonacci bounce, maybe something like that. Nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside with a break of structure. If I see that picture right there, that is going to be my next entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend, which, like I said, possibly could be a wave three or the early stages of a wave three on like the daily time frame and up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.